So last time we discussed the determinant and how to find the determinant that we have discussed in last lecture. Okay. So all of you clear the how to find determinant. Some students are doing the wrongly. काही स्टुडंटनी चुकीच्या पद्धतीने आपलं आन्सर काढलं होतं. So what type of notes you need, Rahul?
Yes.
What type of notes you need? जे शिकवते तेच नोट्स आहेत, त्याचे पीपीटी वाटल्यास शेअर केले जातील. बाकी नोट्स असे कोणी वेगळे नोट्स नाही आहेत. जे शिकवते त्याच्यातूनच नोट्स काढायचे आहेत तुम्ही. ऑनलाईन मध्ये आहे, ऑफलाईन मध्ये असेल तर तुम्हाला दिल्या जातील नोट्स, ऑफलाईन मध्ये तुम्हाला दिल्या जातील. पण ऑनलाईन मध्ये हे जे शिकवतं त्याचे पीपीटी तुम्हाला दिले जातील. वेगळ्या नोट्स वगैरे अशा काय तुम्हाला भेटणार नाहीयेत. ओके. आपला सिलेबस जेव्हा चालू होईल, हे चालू झालेलं ऑलरेडी, त्यानंतर तुम्ही एक 5-6 दिवसानंतर तुम्ही सांगू शकता सर यात काय चेंज करायचं आहे. ओके. सो वी जस्ट स्टार्ट. So all of you clear the concept of the determinant and all this thing. We directly go to the matrix. So anybody, what is the matrix? Yes, what is the matrix? What is the matrix?
Rectangular
Rows and
arrangement
columns.
of numbers.
Okay,
rectangular arrangement of numbers.
Okay, yesterday we have seen that topic.
Yes, sir.
So write on the topic matrix. Okay, write on the topic matrix. Write on in that a system of number arranged in rectangular format along rows and column bounded by a rectangular bracket is called as a matrix. Example: A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 be a system of number, then the matrix of the system can be arranged. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. त्यांनी असं म्हटलं नाही की आपल्याला नंबर ऑफ रोज अँड नंबर ऑफ कॉलम किती आहे. So what is matrix? A system of a number arranged in rectangular format along rows and column bounded by a rectangular bracket is called a matrix. It's called a matrix. That is the definition of matrix. Write on this. Okay, just yesterday we discussed a lot of discussion about this matrix. Already we are done. Okay, without wasting our time, we just write down this topic matrix. We go to the next topic. Okay, matrix, the system of numbers arranged in rectangular format. Arranged in rectangular format along rows and column bounded by a rectangular brackets is called as a matrix. Just we are given that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We write on in the matrix form like this or like this. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also matrix. We have formed this system, this set. Okay. हा एक matrix तयार होतो, हा एक matrix called. The horizontal line is called as row and vertical line is called as column. Okay. Vertical line is called as column. Arrangement of number of is row and column is called as a matrix. Okay. So this matrix having 2 row and 3 column. Having 2 row and 3 column. Okay. Similarly, we define same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 row, 2 column. 3 row, 2 column. Same way, we define this matrix. Yes, Dipti, right? No problem. Okay, done. Sakshi, what is your full name?
Sakshi Mahadev Kurke.
Sakshi Mahadev 4K. Okay.
First time attending.
Okay, first time you are attending. I will tell you your roll number. Just wait. I think your roll number and Hina roll number is B. Just wait.
Roll number is?
I will tell. Just wait.
Okay.
Or it's over. लिहून झालंय सगळ्यांचं?
हो सर.
Okay, right on the next. Okay, just write on this matrix in general matrix A equal to. In general matrix A equal to. Just write on this matrix. Hence, the system m by n number can be arranged in m rows and n column, and the matrix denoted as A m cross n. A equal to A11, A12, this one. K Sakshi.
Yes, sir.
Your division is G division, G, not F.
Okay.
Your division is G. I think class teacher is Bhanose sir.
Okay.
You just attend this lecture, no problem. After end this lecture, you call to Bhanose sir or call to your call to me. No problem. I will give the number of Bhanose sir.
Okay.
G11 is your roll number. This is G division. Okay. So hence we write on this matrix in terms of in general. We write on this matrix in terms of A equal to just system Aij in m cross n, where I is running from 1 to so on m, that is a row, and j is running from 1 to so on n, that is a column. So first indicate this, first indicate row, and second suffix indicate column. Second suffix indicate the column. Okay, these are something rows and column. Okay. Okay, so we will see the next concept.
सर जरा मागचं काय एकदा हॅलो
हाँ ओके 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 एज काच्या आधी
मागचं एकदा दाख.
एकदम मागचं
हम्म.
हे
नाही ते पुढचं ते घेतलंस.
दिस वन ना
हम्म.
ओके
झालं.
Okay, all of you understand what is a matrix? What is a matrix? So in general, the matrix is denoted by capital letter and element of that matrix and generally denoted by, in general, matrix is denoted by capital letter and element of that matrix denoted by small letter A, I, J, M cross N. That is, in short, this is a matrix. In short, this is a matrix. Okay. So now just we see the comparison between determinant and matrix. Anybody, one by one, can you tell me what is the exactly matrix and determinant? What is the comparison between matrix and determinant? What is the difference between the determinant and matrix? What is the difference
Matrix is
between-
rectangular and
Yes, Priti?
matrix is rectangular form.
Matrix is
Sir, I agree with her.
one by one. Saurabh, wait.
Determinant in between two columns.
Just wait. One by one. Avishkar, one by one. Just wait. Yes, Khushi, tell me. Equal number of column rows in determinant. Okay. What is Saurabh? Yes. Okay. This is that matrix in rectangle form. Very good. Yes, Nitin. Very good. Yes, Nitin. Yes, Nitin. Matrix in rectangular form, determinant square form. Very good, Dipti. Yes. What about the other people? Okay, Abhishek says that matrix is in rectangular form, determinant square form. Okay, Abhishek says that. What about the just rather than this, हा सोडून दुसरा कुठला डिफरन्स आहे का? Matrix in terms of rectangular form and determinants in terms of square form. Okay, हे सोडून दुसरा कुठला डिफरन्स आहे का? There are 3 to 4 form. Okay, Prajwal says that determinant rows and column are equal. Okay, no problem. Is the same rows and column and matrix is symmetry form. Okay, symbol. Yes, Kenny. Symbol means yes, symbol. Yes, Kenny. Symbol means
Sir, in matrix, we denote directly with capital letters like A or any letter, but while denoting in determinant, we are using 2/. So the basic difference is this.
okay. So answer the same number of rows. Okay. Rather than this, okay. Rahul says that matrix is set of number. Very good. Okay. Anybody rather than this? Rather than this. Okay, write down the first difference. It has equal number of rows and column in determinant. Matrix, it is not necessary to have equal number of rows and column in a matrix. Either it is equal or either it is a different. Okay, in both way, it is a matrix. Then determinant, it has certain numerical value. But matrix does not. it does not have certain numerical value. Either it is a numerical value or sometime it is a in terms of alphabetical term A, B, C, D, and all these things. Okay, indeterminate. We can,
लिहून घ्यायचं काय sir?
yes, this is a difference for you. This is for difference for you. Then third, interchange of rows and column. Interchange of rows and column does not change the determinant of value. Interchange of rows and column does not change the determinant value. But interchange of rows and column result into entirely different matrix. Okay. The determinant value result into 0 if two rows or two columns are equal or identical. Matrix is just an arrangement of number of, hence it can have two rows or two equal column or identical. Okay. Then multiplication by non-zero scalar, say k, to determine result into multiplication by k to any one row or any one column. But in multiplication in matrix, this multiplication matrix, we can multiply each element of the matrix. Okay. आपण डिटरमिनंट मध्ये एक रोला किंवा एक कॉलमला मल्टिप्लाय करू शकतो किंवा त्यातून कॉमन काढू शकतो. पण मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये काय होतंय, जर मल्टिप्लाय किंवा डिवाइड करायचं असेल तर प्रत्येक एलिमेंटला मल्टिप्लाय आणि डिवाइड होणार. दॅट इज द मेन डिफरन्स. ओके ओके ओके. Someone Ritesh says that okay. Just write down. That is a part. Prathamesh, good. Prathamesh just told me bracket is used in adding, subtracting. Okay.
डिफरन्स लिहायचा का सर?
Oh yes. Write down this. Over or just take the screenshot. Just take the screenshot. Screenshot जरी घेतला तरी चालेल. Just take the screenshot of this, and afterward we write down this. Okay, over. झालंय का?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just take the screenshot. तेवढी जागा सोडून द्या,
Yes, sir.
तुम्ही तुमचं लिहून घेऊ शकतात. Okay, now we will see the next topic, type of matrix. Write on the heading name, type of matrix. Okay, so type of matrix. So which type we have seen up to 12th standard?
Scalar, diagonal.
Scalar, diagonal, then
Upper, lower, lower, triangular.
Symmetric, skew-symmetric matrix.
Non-symmetric.
Zero
Skew-symmetric matrix.
Square matrix.
Unit matrix.
Singular matrix, non-singular matrix,
okay. Okay,
zero matrix,
okay, very good. We see one by one matrix. That is the first matrix is row matrix. Then second column, square, diagonal, scalar, unit, upper triangular, lower triangular, null matrix, symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, idempotent matrix, transpose matrix. Then
लिहून घेऊ का सर?
no. Just we write on one by one. Don't worry. We just discuss. We write on just one by one. Don't worry. So we write on the first matrix is row matrix. Write on the first one is row matrix. Type of matrix. First matrix is row matrix. In the heading of type of matrix. So first here write down that type of matrix. In that first matrix we write down here row matrix. First matrix we write down the row matrix. So what is the row matrix?
The matrix which contains only one row.
What about the
Only
column?
one.
What about the
Only
column?
one row.
What about the column?
No column.
No column.
Number of columns.
It
Number of
contains
columns.
three columns.
Okay. A matrix of order 1 cross n. A matrix of order 1 cross n. म्हणजे काय अशी मॅट्रिक्स ज्याच्यामध्ये फक्त एकच रो असायला पाहिजे. What about the column? What about
N number of columns.
n number of columns? So these are the example of row matrix. 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 Having only one row. What about the column? It is n number of columns. So this is the definition of row matrix. Write down. Matrix containing only one row. Matrix containing only one row, and n number of columns is called as a row matrix. Example. Write on this example. Here nakalu. Do not write on this example. Write on the example here. These are the example of row matrix. 1, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3. These are the example of row matrix. These are the example of row matrix. Having only one row. Similarly, define the column matrix. Same. A matrix containing m number of rows and only one column. It's called a column matrix. It's called column matrix. Okay. Then next example is same example we write down. What is the example of column matrix? Example of column matrix is same. These are the example of column matrix 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the example of column matrix. Okay. Now write down the next. Next definition, square matrix. What is a square matrix? What is a square matrix?
Same number of rows and columns.
सर एक स्क्रीनशॉट पढ़ते हैं.
Okay. A matrix in which number of rows equal to number of columns is called a square matrix. Number of rows equal to number of columns means a square matrix. A matrix of order. Kasnar? A matrix of order. In short.
सर एकदम आंसर क्या है? M into n where m equals to n.
Okay. You need a previous slide. Huh.
चलो क्या? Okay.
A matrix of order. A matrix of order. Order m by m. M by m. म्हणजे दोन्ही पण रोज अँड कॉलम सेम असतील त्यालाच काय म्हणतात? स्क्वेअर मॅट्रिक्स म्हणतात.
Square.
Okay, these are the example of square matrix. Okay, these are the example of square matrix 2 by 2, 3 by 3. Just take the screenshot of this. Afterwards, we write down. Okay, second लिहून घ्यायचं हे. Okay, take the screenshot of this. घेतलं screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next, diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? What is diagonal matrix?
Diagonal elements are present all.
Elements are all other elements are zero.
Elements are zero.
Okay, okay. Except diagonal element, म्हणजे त्याला काय म्हणू आपण non diagonal element. We just see the matrix, a matrix in which, suppose this is a matrix. These are the matrix in which these are the diagonal elements, or we see that main diagonal. And rest of element, rest of this thing, these are the non-diagonal entries. So what is diagonal matrix? A diagonal matrix in which? A diagonal matrix in which? Yes.
Non-diagonal elements are zero.
Non-diagonal element are
Elements are non-zero.
zero. Non-diagonal element are zero. So this is the diagonal matrix. Non-diagonal element are zero. What about the diagonal entries? We don't know. Either it is a one, either it is any number, or either it is non-zero, or either it is zero. Okay. A square matrix containing the principal diagonal element with rest of all elements being zero is called as a diagonal matrix. It's called a diagonal matrix. So write down this diagonal matrix definition, or just take the screenshot of this. Just take the screenshot of this. That is a better one. Okay, तुम्ही नंतरून लिहून घेतलं तरी चालेल. 71 you are present. Okay, 71 are present. Who it is? Okay, sorry. Pratik, I will just note this your roll number 71. So who is the option? No? Okay, I note that Pratik. Okay, sorry. So these are the diagonal matrix. You just take the screenshot of this. Screenshot घेतला प्रत्येकाने?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we see that next scalar matrix. What is scalar matrix? It depends upon the diagonal matrix. What is scalar matrix?
Diagonal element is one.
And a diagonal
Elements.
matrix in which all diagonal
All
elements
three
are
elements of the principal diagonal are equal.
Equal.
okay. The definition is the diagonal matrix in which all diagonal elements are same. a diagonal matrix containing all diagonal elements are equal is called as scalar matrix. What will be the element? Either it is a 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, or what it may be. Okay, these are the scalar matrix. So depending the scalar matrix, what you define? Depending upon the scalar matrix, what you define? या सगळ्यांचा रिलेशन कुठल्या मॅट्रिक्स बरोबर लागतोय? Depend upon the scalar matrix, what you define?
Diagonal matrix.
Huh?
Diagonal.
Diagonal matrix.
Okay. Depend on diagonal and scalar. What is the next matrix?
Unit matrix.
Very good.
Triangular matrix.
Very good, Kendi. It is a unit matrix. It is unit matrix. What is the next? It is unit matrix. Unit matrix म्हणजे काय? Diagonal entries are only one. A diagonal matrix containing all diagonal elements are one. That is a unit matrix. So next definition we will see unit matrix, or it is also called as
Identity matrix.
or
Identity matrix.
oh, very good. Identity matrix. Identity matrix. So write down this. Identity matrix. A scalar matrix with all diagonal elements equal to limit value is called unit matrix. It's called unit matrix. आणखीन एक गोष्ट, जेव्हा आपलं लेक्चर संपतं, जेव्हा आपलं लेक्चर एंड होतं, त्यामुळे बाय डिफॉल्ट तुम्ही परत कनेक्ट व्हायचं बरं का. काल असं लेक्चर आपलं एंड झालं, फक्त 48 पार्टिसिपंट जॉईन झाले, 12 पार्टिसिपंट जॉईन नव्हते झाले. आपलं लेक्चर एंड होते, परत कनेक्ट व्हायचं जेव्हा मी म्हणेल की स्टॉप हिअर, तेव्हाच आपलं लेक्चर संपलं म्हणून गृहीत धरायचं. ओके, काही जण कनेक्ट होत नाही, रिकनेक्ट होत नाही. आता आपलं लेक्चर परत रिकनेक्ट होणार आहे. सो जस्ट टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस unit matrix or identity matrix. Just take the screenshot.